Should we pull the transmission apart? It's been a while. Now, I'm not saying all I'm about to do is how you're supposed to pull the transmission apart. But if you want to know how to not do it, and to be done better than how you're supposed to, then this is how you do it. Where do you think you put that socket?
It's probably gone to the same place every other socket goes.
I know. Do you take them home? Okay, I should make it tube paint.
Why do you have pink spray paint?
Update. That's how I know if I did it. Okay, so this transmission is actually from a burnout car, and it doesn't have any gears. And by any, it sort of does, but not really. So the clutches are fried, I'd say. So let's pull apart and have a look. Okay.
Done.
Done. It's ready to go. It should actually work perfectly fine. Let's get the box out of this. Oh yeah, one of them.
It's a bit wobbly.
Isn't it? Alright, let's lift this up.
Okay. We're turning it around, are we? Turning it upside down.
Flip it upside down now.
So, no fluid fell up when we turned it upside down?
We didn't have to clean anything up. You know what I'm doing here?
No idea.
That out. You know why?
Because it's broken?
Yeah, I just can't believe it. Basically the whole thing apart and see what damage has been done really. Is this? Did I grab the right size? No. Ready to throw?
You make that look easy.
Oh dear. It's all coming apart as one there, isn't it?
Is it not meant to?
Not usually. It's slightly stuck to itself. Oh yeah, well okay, might as well pull this out while we're here. Oh, this is not how you're supposed to do this. I need a hammer. Fucking hell, I'm talented, man. This is going to fire across the room, so just watch out. No, it's not.
That explains all the holes in your wall.
Where the fuck that's from? As long as you can get them out at the same time. Which I can't. I need to cut that.
So when you said this is the way not to do it, is this what we're talking about?
No, this is the way you're supposed to do it. The tension. Whoops.
Right, what's next?
Well, let's see. I have no idea. I've never done this before.
More springs.
Yep, more shift kit parts. More bits. Yep.
We don't really want to lose those, do we?
It's not recommended. They do recommend not to lose them. Well, yep, it's all looking very oily in here, isn't it?
It's like a maze.
It's amazing. Okay, so now just some stuff to pull off in here. And when I said that, right, how I just said just some stuff to pull off in here, yeah. What I meant by that is this is the most miserable experience of anyone's life. Do you know why? There's a circlip in there that you gotta get out. I hate them. Oh, they're in that bag down there. You get me the ones with a little outy bit.
Is this going to come flying out?
No. I'll be lucky to get this out at all, let alone it come flying out. Yeah.
Well, we got it out. Well, we got all of it out by the looks. We're on to the next stage.
Yeah.
The reverse gears or something like that. Bit of a mission.
It is a mission, I'll admit.
There's a lot of play in that. Oh, exploded.
Isn't there?
So you reckon there's a bush in here that's a bit flogged out somewhere?
I reckon a lot of this stuff here could be a little bit pokerooed. It's the technical term for not very good.
It looks like there's a bit of a dent in that gear there.
So something's broken inside there, eh? Oops. Oh yeah, okay, I'll just put this down over here. This is, well, it's all the clutches that didn't come out with that part. And then, there's this part here. Yeah. It's definitely, that's supposed to be attached to something else.
So you think this might be
That's a problem.
bit of an issue?
Oh, it is now. Yeah, I don't know what it's either it's become an issue post the problem or it's started the problem. I'm not sure, but these are all in good condition. Okay, we'll have to just piece all that together. It's spun around inside here. You can see the damage it's done to this case.
Oh yeah.
It's a new bush We'll hopefully slot back into there, but we'll have to check to make sure the bush isn't going to spin inside the casing. Okay, cool. Well, until we get some parts, we will put this to the side.
Yeah, so the next video will be us rebuilding it.
Exactly. All right. See you then.
See ya.